Hi everyone, lots of thanks for all of you who are supporting my Makers of Bharat channel and making my 3 episodes a grand success. Yes, I'm coming up soon with my episode 4 with Dinesh Mishra ji. He is the founder of Meshmix Media. He built Meshmix Media from scratch. Very happy to connect with Dinesh Mishra ji. Yes, coming to the Makers of Bharat, we are taking it beyond Bangalore. We are visiting 4 cities in the next 4 months, starting with Belagavi this April. Very excited to meet young entrepreneurs and students and industrialists of Belgaum. Belagavi, a manufacturing hub in northwest Karnataka. Very excited to be there. I was in working in northwest Karnataka for 5 years in Hubli Dharwad. A great location. So definitely we'll show a lot of content from Belagavi. Signing off from Yeshwantpur. Thank you.